In the world of off-road machines, power and versatility meet to face the most difficult terrains. These vehicles are built to handle nature's obstacles and provide an unparalleled driving experience. Here are some of their key features. 1. Raised and robust suspension. Off-road cars are equipped with a specially designed suspension to handle rough terrains. This raised suspension allows the vehicle to go over bumps, rocks, and other obstacles with ease without affecting passenger comfort. 2. Strong four-wheel drive. To cope with slippery and sloping terrains, off-road cars are equipped with a four-wheel drive system. This means power is distributed evenly to all wheels, providing superior grip and control in all conditions. 3. Enhanced protection. Built to handle wilderness adventures, off-road machines are equipped with additional protections to maintain their integrity in harsh conditions. The bodies are built from impact-resistant materials, and the tires and vital components are protected against damage. 4. Deep water and mud performance. Some off-road machines are equipped with special features to cope with deep water or mud crossings. They have a high traverse depth, additional sealing, and high exhaust systems to cope with these extreme conditions. 5. Powerful engines. To give their exceptional performance, off-road cars are equipped with powerful engines. They provide enough torque and power to tackle rough terrains and overcome obstacles with ease. Whether you are exploring high mountains, sand dunes, or dense forests, off-road cars are ready to give you an unforgettable driving experience. With their outstanding features and superior abilities, these vehicles prove that there are no limits when it comes to off-road adventure. Thanks for viewing.